Bodi ya igerio bururi-ini ya knec kwa wiki ikumi ciukite igukorwo ikirikiria kwandika maumirira ma arutwo a CBC a kuuma grade 3 nginya grade 6 megie ithomo cia urugi wa irio ngurani, na igerio ici cikitwo ni mathukuru ihinda ritiganite na kuria thukuru wa mundu kiumbe wa Christ the King kuma kuria kaunti-ini ya Bungoma ukoretwo akiuga arutwo mathiite na mbere na igerio ici kurumirira mutaratara uria makorirwo makiheo ni arutani ao.
My name is Teacher Mary from Christ. I teach home science in grade 6 junior secondary, and I'm really grateful for the project that the government gave unto us as a school, doing a project cooking through boiling and steaming, whereby we have boiled different types of foods like maize and steaming cabbage. And we are really grateful for giving us an opportunity as teachers and also as learners to make sure that we learn more on cooking, different methods of cooking. There are many children who are not able to cook, and they really don't know how to cook, but as teachers we have guided them, and at least they can practice cooking when they go to their various places at home. Many challenges that we have faced is the provision of these cooking materials, whereby we have to go back to the parents so that they may provide the cooking materials for us, of which not all of them have provided. But the school administration for this project, we believe that through this we'll have many others learning more important things as far as CBC is concerned. For CBC, we are really grateful because of this new educational system, because it has helped learners. Most of the time, this is a learner-centered type of education, whereby teachers, we are just there to be guiding the learners in each and everything they do, and we are really working and hoping for the best come the future of Christ the King is concerned.
Projects both for grade 3 and grade 7 are on, and as we move around you will see that in fact there are on as we speak within our school. All those projects, we involved our parents, we have all the facilities that are needed plus the resources, so we are good.